Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to randomly assign participants to conditions. So let's assume that you are already in Qualtrics and you have a list of studies. I am going to use this survey that I already created to demonstrate. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to take me to the survey, and here's the survey. And so notice that I already built the questions, and I suppose you won't have a problem doing that. But one thing I want to point out is that I actually created block number 1 and block number 2. So I have a total of 4 questions, but they are in 2 separate blocks. And the reason is that I want to treat block number 1 as an experimental condition, and block number 2 as the other experimental condition. Let's call it the control condition. And each condition will have 2 questions. The goal is to send each participant to only either block 1 or block 2. You don't want participants to see both conditions, to be participating in both conditions. Okay, so to do this, you want to ask Qualtrics to randomly assign participants to one condition only. So to do this, go to Survey Flow, and you will see that there is already block 1 and block 2 for you. What you want to do is, it's probably helpful to just delete those so you don't confuse yourself. This is just a quick hack for you. And then click on Add a New Element here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on Randomizer, and that is going to give us this. Now what we want to randomize is the block that they get, and therefore you want to click on Add a New Element here and pick the 2 blocks that already exist. So I'm going to pick block number 1 here, and then I'm going to add another element and pick block number 2. Okay, so now that I have the 2 blocks here, this is asking me how many blocks do you want a certain participant to see. Obviously we don't want them to see both, we only want them to see one. So we want Qualtrics to send them to only one, so that's why I picked 1 here. And do I want Qualtrics to give me about roughly the same number for each, the same number of participants for each condition? You usually want to do this, so you click on Evenly Present Elements. Okay, now that I have done this, I will save the settings, and then it is already set for given participants only 1 block randomly. Okay. To test that, I'm going to go to Preview Survey. Okay, and I got this first block. Okay, let's just randomly select whatever. And let's see, where can I? Okay, so here, and that's it. It ended. It did not give me the other block. Now restart survey. Oh, now it gave me the other block. So I'm just gonna type I am 30, and then here I'm gonna type psychology, and then I am gonna move on. Let's see. Oh, it ended. So it looks like the survey is working correctly. Thank you very much.